The center director is amazing. From the first phone call, she listened to me and interacts personally with my child on each visit.
I love that the teachers are all certified. They are excellent with kids, and they make learning fun.
In the times of lockdown and shelter in place, their online Zoom sessions are very engaging and enjoyable for kids.
My daughter has quickly improved her math skills and feels confident that she can solve problems very quickly.
Don't let COVID affect your child's learning. Register now at Best Brains.